Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel CAD NEST. I'm here Allauddin. I'm from CAD NEST. So today I'm just going to teach one AutoCAD topic. So let's see this one, how to create arc for a rectangle edge by using a fillet. So now here see so how we are going to create the fillet for the edge of the rectangle. So here I wanted to create a fillet, that is the arc. I want to make an arc for that one. So how we are going to create, I'll just show you this one. So for that one, what you can do here, you can enter the fillet option here in the command, that is fillet shortcut command is F enter. If you take this one F enter, so what we can do here, you can see this option here, undo, polyline, radius, trim, multiple. So here I am going to take a radius. So if you want an arc here, so we are going to take a radius option here. If I take a radius, now this now is asking that specify the fillet radius to the, it's asking this one. Now example, I'll take this one radius as 1. If I'll take 1 here, now what we have to do, this one now is asking to select the objects. Now suppose see this edge object, if I select here, now see, now I have selected this object, but another object if I try to select, now what is it showing here, see fillet radius is showing that is too large. So for that one, what you can do here, so if you want to reduce the radius, for that again you can click radius. Now you can just reduce the radius of the fillet. Now I'll just take this 0.2 I'll take. If I'll take 0.2, now you can make this one as a radius. Now if I'll take now it will take here. So like that you can use a fillet radius. So now once again I'll show you this one. So suppose if I just enter the F enter, radius you have to take. Now I'll just change the radius of this, that is 0.5. Enter here. Now I want fillet here. Now you can click here. So how much you want, you can click. After that, if you wanted to measure this one whether this is correct or wrong, you can go to dimension option here. In the dimension you can take a radius. In the radius you can select on that arc here and you can just measure the dimension. Now it is showing 0.5 radius. Now same thing if I take for this one also, it's showing 0.2. So like that we are going to use a fillet. So hope you understood. Thank you so much. Like our video, subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.